Hello! Today I'm going to be telling you about some rides you must get on while at Disneyland and California Adventure. These are in no particular order, these are just some of my favorite rides, so yeah. The first one we have is Hyperspace Mountain. It is located in Disneyland, and some of the reasons why you should get on is it's a fast ride made for everyone. Plus, you can't really see, which gives you that added adrenaline rush. Also, they change it up during Halloween time. Some tips about it are either get a fast pass or arrive to the park early because the line is usually very long. Our next ride is Radiator Springs Racers, located in California Adventure. Some reasons why you should get on are because you feel like you're actually in Radiator Springs. It's a very kid-friendly ride, and you get to race the people in the car next to you. Some tips about it: get a fast pass. It is a very long line, so if you go on a hot day, remember to have water and always go to the bathroom before. Our next ride is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, which is located in California Adventure, and you should get on it because it's an adrenaline rush mixed with great music. Some tips: don't get on it if you dislike sudden drops. Don't take young children on it if they are afraid of the dark and falling. And lastly, for this ride, you don't always need a fast pass, but getting one never hurts. Our next ride is Indiana Jones Adventure, the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, which is located in Disneyland. Some reasons why you should get on are the vehicle that you sit in makes you feel like you're in the movie. A large group of people are able to fit and ride at the same time. And lastly, the line you wait in is very cool and has a lot to look at. Tips: get a fast pass. Also, it is notorious for shutting down, so be aware. And lastly, once you have entered the Chamber of Destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Our next ride is the Haunted Mansion. It is located in Disneyland. Some reasons why you should get on: it is a good ride for kids. It is also gives you the opportunity to sit down and rest in a cool air-conditioned setting. It is also very fun to get on during Christmas, the Christmas season. Some tips: everyone wants to get on it during the Christmas season, so I advise getting a fast pass. But if you're not in the Christmas season, you don't always need a fast pass. The line may get long, but it's not always terrible. Our next is Big Thunder Mountain. Location, Disneyland. Reasons why you should get on: a good beginner roller coaster for anyone, and it is the wildest ride in the wilderness. Some tips: fast passes are recommended, but not always needed. And our last ride is Autopia. The location is Disneyland. Some reasons why you should get on: you get to drive yourself. There's an off-roading section. You can text and drive or make a phone call without getting pulled over. And lastly, you get a driver's license. Some tips for this one is if you ride on a hot day or a sunny day, wear sunscreen. Honestly, with all these rides, I would recommend getting a fast pass, but they're not needed. So, yeah.